What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Wasp from Quantumania. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the visor. We'll start right in the middle with a straight line. Then from the ends, draw a straight angled line going up and out toward the top of the visor. And then from here it's going to bend this out and then down towards the side. Now I'm going to work our way down the side and back in towards the center. So from the sides, I'm just going to draw a straight line coming down. Just bend this down and then in. Now I want to angle this up and in, leaving a gap in the center. Draw two short angle lines going up towards the top. And we'll close off that center piece with a straight line. Now from these 2 points, draw a straight angle line coming down and in. Close this off with a straight line. Now from these 2 points, angle this down and out. Angle this up and out towards the visor. Let's add another piece in the center, coming down and in. And close off the bottom. Now I want to trace the visor along the outside. We'll start from the top middle, another straight line going across, angle this up towards the top, and work our way out and down towards the side. Let's come down the side towards the bottom. Now I want to pull this down and in towards the middle. And leave a gap in the center. Line this up on the right, going out, and bend that up. Close off the center with a straight line. Now from these 2 points, draw a straight line coming down. And we'll close off the bottom. Let's trace that rectangle along the inside. Now let's go to the bottom corner of the visor, step out. We want to draw a curve that comes down and in towards the bottom corner of that rectangle. Comes down and then in. Now underneath, draw a curve coming down and in. And then from the side, we're going to draw a straight line going up. And going back to the side, we're going to round out the top of the head. Let's go up, bend this in towards the middle to right about there. Round up the head, come across, and then bring that down on the right side. Now I'm going to close off the side of the head with a straight line. Now let's go back to the top left side of the head. We're going to draw another curve, going up in the middle, go across, and then bring that back down on the right. From these 2 points, we're just going to bend this out and then up towards the top of the head. Step out and draw that again. Let's add a trim along the center. From these 2 points, we're just going to bend this out and then up. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight angled line. Now move out to the side and draw the ear cover, starting on the top left, curve this around, and just bend this back in. Line that up on the right side. Now from the outside of the cover, let's move up, angle this up and in toward the top of the antenna. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing, going up and in towards the same height. Let's flatten off the top with a short line, come down and out in behind the head. Now we're also going to separate the top of the antenna with a short line. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, just underneath the head, then the body going out and then down towards the hip. Let's go to the right and bring that down towards the same height. Now from the hips, we're going to curve this down and in, leaving a gap in the center. So start with the left side, and then the right. And then from here, come down and in towards the center point like a V. Now I'm going to add some detail to the body. Let's start right in the middle with a circle. And then on the top side, then it's up and then out. Let's add 2 lines coming down the center, side by side. And then from the bottom of that circle, bend this down and then up towards the side of the body. Now from the top of the V, let's angle this up and out underneath the chest. And I'm just going to trace out the bottom of the chest coming in toward that line. And trace the bottom. Let's add a V in the center of the stomach, coming down and then up. Step down and draw that again. Now from this center point, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and down, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe on both sides. Let's go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. We want to go up. And we want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a gap on the inside. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. On top of the foot, let's step up, add a curve, coming down and up. And we'll line it up on the right side. Now we're going to move up and draw that again. Now from the top of the V, I'm just going to angle this down and out toward the side. Come down with a short angled line. And we'll angle this back down and out towards the bottom of the leg. Let's trace this shape along the bottom. So we're going to step down on the left. We're just going to work our way in towards the middle. Come down the bottom of the V. And go across the right side. From the hips, let's step in, bend this out and down along the side. Angle this down and out. Now let's move out to the side of the body and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the top of the body and the hip. We'll start right here, bend the arm going out and down towards the wrist. And we'll line it up on the right side. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb and come down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then up. And then the third finger, we're just going to pull this up and in underneath the head. Now we want to add a couple bands across the arms. We'll start from the top of the thumb, then this up and then out. And step up, draw that again. I want to leave a slightly larger gap and draw that one more time. Now from the top of the body, let's add a trim going down the arm and then go straight out towards the side. And now with the body in place, let's place the wings in behind. We're going to start from the top of the arm, bend the wing going up and then out. And do the same thing on the right side. Just round out the tip of the wing, come down, and just bend that in towards the side of the arm. Now we're going to draw the bottom half of the wing in behind the arms. Let's start from the outside of the hand, bend this out and down with a short line. Round this out, come in and up behind the hand. And we want to continue that curve in between the arm and the body. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of the Wasp from Quantumania. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.